Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2019 Grey Wolf 26RL. RL's rear living room, one slide, kind of cool. It's got some modifications to it. He's got lights already pre-hooked up on the front and rear, so if you're camping, you got a lot of lights on the outside. Very cool. There's our single slide, black tank flush, ladder, cargo carrying. There's some more lights. Prepped for an observation camera. We can install them here at Friendship RV. Nice little awning. It's got some lights on the top here too. A couple of them are burned out, but it's pretty cool. Rockers, fold out couch, our dinette, nice little stereo, fireplace, prepped for a TV. There's our Dominic refrigerator freezer. Looks brand new. It's very well maintained. 3-burner cooktop range oven, microwave, got an air conditioner. You know, enough counter space, not tons, but it's not too bad. Our front shower. I mean, this unit is well maintained. I don't think it's seen a lot of camping actually. And our front private bedroom. Outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed, and your own private entrance. Lots of storage, prepped for another TV. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.